Welcome back to Perfume Emotions. It's Money again and it's Burberry again. So it's Burberry EDT Toilette for Men. So we're going to do full review of this, but we're going to do I'm going to give you golden tips about this perfume. So if you lose any second of this video, you might not be able to understand what the tips are all about and how the tips will help with which, with whom, and with what. Okay, so start with scent profile. So I would say that opening is the strongest part of this scent. Yeah, it is citrusy and minty. Sometimes it can be called as mint blast or citrus blast, and it is not at all irritating. In fact, it is soothing, relaxing, and refreshing. Okay. After that, you will get some sort of woody vibe, and later on musk and amber and vanilla would like try to bring some sort of sweetness, but they are not dominant at all. So it's very difficult for us to understand and perceive presence of them. Yeah. So in an average, I would say, if I have to talk about this scent profile, I would say that it is minty, freshy, clean, inoffensive, semi-sweet scent profile. Okay. Longevity is quite dependent on skin and quite dependent on the environment as well. So as of now, in the UK, summer is there. So when I applied for the last 2 days on my skin, it lasted for about 4 hours. I would say that 4 hours is not that bad or that good as well, but yes, I can sense that they are there. Yeah, the perfume is there, their notes are there. Okay, sillage is good initially for 30 minutes or 40 minutes till the effect of opening is there, but later on it depends down like anything. Same way, projection is very good till the opening is there, and then also it depends down. So dry down is weak, loose, lack potency, and opening is the best part. And the tips you will find about how to potentiate the negative aspects of the perfume at the end. So please continue watching. Yeah. Now coming to the core aspect of my channel, emotion, whether this perfume can cause or can create an emotion. I would say yes, initially when there is opening, it is refreshing, calming, relaxing sort of smell, but it lasts for like few minutes, so it's not creating a longer lasting sort of relaxation or emotion. So it is like out of the question. In terms of scent profile, I would say that this scent will attract the most of the conservative sort of personality or persons who like mature smell. Yeah. So in age group, I would advise people who are of my age group. I'm 43, so from 30 onwards, they would be the best people or best age group person who can enjoy this particular fragrance. For youngsters, I'm having a tip. I'll tell you at the end. Now let's talk about season. Obviously, if you have gone through video and if you've gone through the notes and if you've gone through the scent profile, definitely this is an ideal smell for or ideal perfume for summer. Yeah, and it is cheap, so ideal cheapy perfume for summer. Yeah. It is clean, inoffensive, refreshing, freshness, slightly calming fragrance, and that is why I would advise it to use as an office wear. Yeah, it will look very nice and formal when we use it at office wear. I do a sort of job, white collar job, and I used it for 2 days and I got compliments as well. However, how to get compliments, that is also a tip which I will explain you at the end of the video. So you will need to watch till the end of the video. Save the money. We'll start with who should not buy. I will say a person who expects like beast mode longevity with the perfume, beast mode projection with the perfume. Definitely this is not for them. They should not buy this. It's waste of money for them. Person who doesn't like mature smell, do not buy them. Person who is not clear, try a sample, and if he likes, then only he should buy this. Okay, so this is how you can save the money. Now, based on what I'm going to say at the end of video, I would say if you have liked this scent, I would ask you to buy 100 ml bottle, not 50 ml bottle, and you will understand why I am trying to say. But for that, you will have to watch till the end. Now we are coming to the newest and best aspect of the video, golden tips. So tip number 1, how to potentiate the scent profile. So to do that, so first of all, opening is the best part of scent profile. Sweetness is not much dominant. And now we will potentiate the scent profile. So when you apply this, apply in like this. So 2 spray behind each ears and 1 spray over your collar. Now you will say that we apply the perfume in a very similar way. What's the difference? 2 spray over here, 2 spray over here, 2 spray over here, 1 spray over here. I would say that, see, this is something quite different. Like when we apply perfume to our skin, initially it will release super note, then hard note, and then base note. But in case of clothes, they would never leave first note or top note. So what will happen is after 30 minutes you will not getting any sort of opening citrusy minty smell, but you will start feeling dry down. But this 2 spray over here, which were milder in nature, which will make the opening milder as well, then you will have a decent and the perfect and beautiful scent profile. Because from back you will start having powdery, lavendery, semi-sweet smell and semi-citrus smell. If you take deep breath, you will realize that yes, this perfume is worthy. It is having a very good smell. So now what you are getting is everything. You are getting top note, you are getting mid note, and you are getting base note. Yes, and if you apply this way, and if you find this thing, please like my video, because it took a lot of time for me to do such thing again and again and again and again. So another way to increase longevity, sillage and projection is to apply perfume frequently. So in here you will do 1 spray maneuver for all 5 hotspot. Yeah, once you start losing the citrus opening and start smelling slight sweetness, apply another. So these two will potentiate each other and you will get unique smell, but the smell will last much longer as well. Okay, so it will increase the smell profile, increase the longevity, increase the projection. Now third golden tip will help you to increase CR. So for that, what you have to do is that this is only for CR, yeah, keep in mind. You just open it and spray twice at the front, twice at the back, and keep this in box. Why? Because see, fragrances last quite more on clothes and last most on the paper, taste paper, yeah, tasting paper. And that is why you will, when you visit to a particular sort of perfume shop and you smell and you feel like, oh, it's long lasting. Basically it's not long lasting. Any smell, if you spray on paper, cardboard paper, it will be there for 3 days or 4 days. Okay, but on clothes it will remain for few hours, few days, maybe whatever the scent profile is. So now I really can smell that yes, there is a very strong smell coming, and I can see aroma of that as well. I can feel aroma of that as well. So same way, whenever I will go, the perfume will travel with me and it will create sillage, and that sillage will be longer lasting and not moderate sillage, a good sillage. Hopefully these 3 golden tips would be helpful to you. If not, please dislike my video, and if you find it to be helpful, please like my video. Thanks to watch my video.